Today we're going to dress up the underhood of this 2018 Mustang GT with an engine cap kit from Drake Muscle Car. This build aluminum engine cap kit from Drake Muscle Cars is going to fit your 2018 through 2020 Mustang GT. It includes caps for your oil cap, your washer reservoir cap, radiator cap, brake master cylinder cap, and even a custom piece for your dipstick. These are available in 3 different versions. They're going to be available with the Running Horse logo, with the Ford logo, or with the Shelby logo. All these caps are going to install over your factory caps very easily using this applied double stick tape. Drake includes this little towel with alcohol. What they want to do, basically just clean the surface of all the caps they're going to be covering. Peel off a double stick tape, line up the cap, press it down, just hold it for a couple seconds. Then do the same thing for the oil fill cap and the brake reservoir. For the washer fluid, it's actually a replacement cap. So put this vertical and just pop it off the back here. You kind of have to push down. And don't make the same mistake I did here. There's actually a slot that goes in the back so this new cap can go on and sit properly. So wait until you put this on to put the horse on so it's not upside down like I did. Now the last step is going to be the dipstick. Here you'll need a 3/32 Allen key to separate this. Reinstall the screw. The Drake Muscle Cars engine cap set adds a nice, clean, uniform, custom look under the hood of our 2018 Mustang GT. Again, as you saw, these are extremely easy to install. You're talking maybe half an hour tops. Be back on the road in no time.